Hey dreamers, thanks for ordering the Wine Barrel Stool Kit. Today, Cooper and I are going to walk you through how to build the stool in the most efficient, fastest way possible. I'm on your team, call me if you need help. Let's get started. What do you think? Okay, so first step is we're going to build the seat portion here. This is the top part that you're going to sit on. Cruise over here and let's get some measurements. You're coming in at about 15.5 inches. The 5 pieces are going to go 15.5 inches. You're going to spread the left and the right piece 11 inches from each other. And then the last measurement is to keep it 2 inches on the left and 2 inches here on the right. Just go ahead and screw in each screw and keep this as 90 degrees as possible. Okay, so now step 2 is we're going to be putting these legs on the top part that we just made. There's 4 legs to the stool. Note that when you take them out of the box, do you see the lines? These are the metal hoop lines. You need to make sure that you take the same lines and you keep them on the bottom or on the top. You can't have it be zigzag. See the lines, how they're different? They all gotta go the same way. So it doesn't matter which way they go, but just make sure that you take these lines and you kind of come on over here, and this is how it's gonna look. See how the lines are the same on the left and the right from the hoops? For fun, I'm going to show you how to put this leg on. So I take my, this is a pointer. I always want to guide the screw. So I take this pointer and I go in the hole. See how there's 2 holes? And then I'm going to take my screw. This is a 2.5 inch screw. It's a star bit, 2.5 inch screw. And then I go like this. I do it here and I do it here. And I'm kind of fanning these things out. They're not exactly straight up. If you look, they're kind of going out of V. Okay? So that's how you install the legs. Is 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and then you do the same thing here, and then the same thing here. Okay? I just want to let you guys know that you see how symmetrical this curve is right here? When you're screwing in the legs, remember, they don't go straight up. They're kind of being fanned out like this. So make sure that when you're screwing in here, you're keeping these things kind of fanned out. And you can even use the cross piece to show you the width that it's going to go out. Now we're going to put the cross piece on, the side cross pieces. So just for reference, you're about 3 inches from the bottom of the stool. See how the stool's upside down? This is 3 inches. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my 1/4 inch drill bit. Okay, here I am. This is a 1/4 inch drill bit, and you need to go into the hole. You're gonna need to drill a hole 1/4 inch, and see how it goes in the other side? See that? Then I'm going to take my bolt, 2.5 inch hex bolt, and I go in, and then I take my 1/4 inch washer, and I do this, and I go nice and tight on all 4 corners. See that? Okay. Stay strong. You can do it. Super tight. The tighter you go, the stronger your stool will be. Now we're going to attach this cross piece where your legs sit on. So I'm always going to go in with my pointer first. I'm going to guide the little tunnel for the screw to go in, 2.5 inch star bit, and I go in right like that. Just don't overdo it. Remember, there's 2 bolts per cross piece. See, 2 and 2. And then on the other side, here it is. There's 2 screws and 2 screws. Don't over tighten it. Nice and snug, 2.5-inch star bit screws. Now we're gonna install the last two pieces. It's this upper cross piece. I usually go about, if you look close, maybe from this bottom point, what is that, 2.5 inches down? You know, 4 finger lengths, it doesn't matter. In this area, about 2.5 inches. And then, remember, I take my 1/4 inch gun, right, and I drill a hole. Remember, it goes all the way through. See that? All the way through. I do the same thing on this side all the way through. And then I take my 2.5-inch hex bolt and I go in and I put the nut on like this and I go super tight. This is a 1/4 inch, you know, I don't even know what you call this thing. It's a socket, 1/4 inch socket. Okay? Do it to all 4 bolts. Are you having fun? Guess what? Your stool's built. Call me if you need me. FaceTime me if you need me. This is supposed to be fun and exciting. But hey, check it out. A stool made from a wine barrel. Come on, Cooper. Let's drink wine and impress our friends. Love you.